Okay, the sum of the interior angles, is n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so if a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 180 times 4 minus 2 is 180 times 2, which is 360. That's the sum of the angles of the interior. The sum of the angles of the exterior is always just 360. So the part B would be 360. For number 2, a pentagon has 5 sides. Oops, this is 180 there. I don't know what I just did there. Anyway, a pentagon has 5 sides, so 180 times 5 minus 2 is 180 times 3, which is 540. That's the sum of the interior angles, and the exterior would be 360. Number 3, a hexagon has 6 sides, so 180 times 6 minus 2 is 180 times 4, 360. This is 720, but this is also always 360. Number 4, an octagon has 8 sides, so this is 180 times 8 minus 2. Let's grab a calculator. 180 times 6 is 1080, and this would also be 360. Finally, number 5, a decagon has 10 sides. So this is 180 times 10 minus 2. So I'm not sure what I did there, which is 180 times 8, which is 1440. But the exterior sum would add up to 360. Okay, this is a little confusing, so let's break it down. I'm going to start by saying x equals the number of sides. All right. Then that means that 180 times x minus 2 is equal to the sum of all interior angles. So if there's x number of sides, that means there's x angles. So 180 times x minus 2 divided by the number of angles is equal to the measure of each angle. Okay? And remember that 360 is the sum of all exterior angles. That means that 360 divided by x equals the measure of one exterior angle. Now, let's take a look. Now that we have all of this, let's look at this. The measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon, which is this right here, 180 times x minus 2 divided by x must be equal, is 11 times an exterior angle. This is the measure of each exterior angle here. 11 times that is what that's equal to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both of these sides by x. And that's going to cancel those x's. Okay? And then so my equation, I'm going to now distribute this 180, and I'm going to get 180 x minus 360 is equal to 11 times 360. And I'll do that on a calculator. That's 3960. Let's bring this up here. So now I'm going to bring this over here by adding it. So 180x is equal to 3960 plus 360, which is 4320. and then I'm going to divide each side by 180. So I'm going to get x is equal to 24. So there are 24 sides. Let's do that over here.